Hopefully you just enjoyed that 31-second video clip. This is all about visual storytelling for a printmaking workshop. Now, I am Nicole and I'm a brand photographer and video storyteller. I captured all those clips during a recent workshop, and I thought I'd use this example to show kind of visual storytelling when you have visuals, whether it's photos or video clips, with context. Now, with a business-minded framework, I want this to be used to promote future creative workshops for this artist. So we're talking about, we're showing kind of the process of a workshop, we're showing the vibe of the workshop, but we're also, with the words, giving some feeling to the workshop about being creative and stepping out from everyday stress and being in a workshop and slowing down. So I knew, because the workshop has a classic beginning, middle, and end, which is also a great story structure, that I wanted to capture the flow. I wanted to capture images before anyone got there, kind of like the tools and the setup that they would be greeted by, then highlight the artist itself. I did not want to focus too much on the attendees. And then I could then go through her flow, whether how she's doing the instruction, how they're applying the paint, how they're carving out the block, how they are then doing the relief printing on fabric. And it kind of carries through the whole process. So I was capturing photos and some video along the way, so then we could create the video that you saw in the beginning. So this would be great to promote future workshops, creative workshops. And if you do host creative workshops, you want to think about how you can transport someone into a space and promote something that you want to sell in the future, share what a workshop is like, so that you can draw the people that would like to have a workshop with you. Okay. I hope this was helpful for you. I'm going to leave this video all about visual storytelling with a whole bunch of other examples, and I'll leave that there, and I'll see you in this video.